Hello friends, today we'll unbox and give you full review of Honor GT 5G. The dual SIM Honor GT runs on Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15. It features a 6.7-inch Full HD 1200 x 2664 pixels AMOLED display with a PWM value of 3840 Hz and a peak brightness level of 1200 nits. The Oasis Eye Protection gaming screen has 120 Hz refresh rate. It runs on an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 SoC with Adreno 750 GPU, up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage for internal management. The phone has a new vapor chamber cooling system comprising a 5540 mm SQ area and 9-watt internal conductive gel. Honor GT starts at a price of Chinese yuan 2,199, roughly rupees 25,000 in India, for the 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage model. The 12 GB plus 512 GB, 16 GB plus 256 GB and 16 GB plus 512 GB RAM and storage models are priced roughly around 29,000 rupees and 32,000 rupees respectively. Honor GT was launched in China on previous Monday as the latest gaming focused offering from the company. The new Honor smartphone runs on a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset and packs up to 16 GB RAM and a maximum of 1 TB storage. The Honor GT contains a 5300 mAh battery that supports 100-watt wired charging. It boasts a dual rear camera setup led by 50 megapixel primary camera as well as 16 megapixel front facing camera. So friends, if you like the video, then do subscribe and hit like in our YouTube channel. Thank you.